Hello everyone, in this video we will see how we can install Arduino IDE app in our PC or in our laptop. So we need to first open any browser and need to search Arduino download. After going to this, you will see the first website, which is arduino.cc. You need to click on this. After clicking on this, you will come to this page where you will first see this, the latest version of Arduino IDE, which is 2.3.7. You can download this, click on the download, and it will get download started. So after the app is downloaded, you can just open Arduino IDE, and you will see this page. This is how it looks. You can first select the board. Board means you are working on Arduino or you are working on ESP32. You need to go to the tools and board manager. Here you can see all the boards are available. You can install it and use as you want. For basic use, you can even see the examples. There are various examples in it. I'll open one like blinking LED. This is the code of a blinking LED in an Arduino. So that's all from this video. Thank you.